Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've made a video. I was down with a cold for a couple of weeks, but I am feeling much better now. And what better way for me to celebrate feeling better than to do another amazing transformation makeover. As happy as I was at the beginning of this video, turned exactly opposite by the end of this video. Stay tuned, watch, and see why. I have a client who is due anytime now. She has traveled several hours to come here to my salon for me to install the hair unit that I made for her, plus to give her a beauty makeover to make her feel totally fantastic. This is going to be amazing. I am so excited, and I'm sure she is too. Because it's all right, because the unit clips on, so it's okay. The main thing is right around your hairline, where I am just going to put a tape right across here, which is very easy. So that'll be easy for you to maintain. And then if you want to take it off every night, you can, just by taking a little 99% alcohol and wiping that tape away. But when you get ready to put the tape on, you want to always make sure there's no oil on the tape. Okay, all right.
That I want.
You want to thin it out some?
Or cut it down some more. Yeah, that's too much for me. Yeah.
That's why I was asking you that picture that you had, if you wanted to take it about that length, and you said no.
Oh.
The picture you showed me?
Yeah. Yeah, please tuck it in a little bit more. And there it looks like all my hair is on front.
Okay, let's see. At this point, I am totally exhausted, but I use what energy I have left to cut the unit down and give her the style that she wants. Because all installations are not going to go perfect. In the end, it's what the client wants that matters. I am anxious to hear your comments about how you think this install went, any constructive criticism you have. I just am looking forward to hearing what you have to say. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. Before you leave, please make sure you subscribe if you've not done so already. Tell others, share, thumbs up everybody to this video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will always know when I'm doing something new and different here on Miss Lola's Hair and More. Bye. Take care now.